In this video, we will learn about two more keywords. The first one is switch and the second is break. Let us see. You know, this is the header file. In all the C program, and thereafter as usual we take int main. Because this video is going to be simple, we may take this curly bracket in a next line. In C program, you can place you can displace a part of the code that does not matter. And now here I take int, here I take an integer variable, and the variable name is choice, and here I use printf function to show a message to the user. Enter the choice, enter the choice, and here I use a scanf function to scan the choice entered by the user, and here to store that value at an address we use ampersand, and that will be stored under the variable's address choice. Now I use the keyword switch. This was the keyword, this is was the keyword which was discussed in the beginning of this video, and here inside the bracket I have to write the choice, this choice, and thereafter here we can take many cases, case 1, and inside this we print welcome, welcome, and thereafter we take case 2, case 2. So inside switch keyword there will be many cases, and here I type printf and here I type let us learn C program, C program. Okay, here we can take a new line here as well, new line. So let us take one more, case 3. You may take any number of cases, and here 3, and in this I type printf function, and here I type welcome to this channel, welcome to this channel. Now at the end there will be, when you type all the cases, then at the end there will be a default, and under this print f, and here we type you have not here yes, you have not taken any case. Suppose it may happen that there are three cases, one, two, three. So if the user here enters the user, suppose the user is entering one, then obviously that one will indicates case one, because here the choice is, you see the same variable that is here. So the number entered by the user, suppose it is 1, then this will be for the first case. If the user enters choice, that is he enters or she enters 2, then that means case 2. If the user enters numbers other than these three, 1, 2, 3, in that case that will indicate the default thing. And here, as usual, at the end of the main function we use one more keyword, that is return. Now I think our program is ready, so let us learn how does this keyword switch work. And I have promised to show you the use of one more keyword, that is break, and obviously I will show you, but later. First see how does this switch keyword work. And here I run. Yes, it is saying to save the program, so I save under the name switch and break. Okay, here I save. Now it is saying that yes, here you see, I show you, it is showing an error. Here you see line number 10. You see line number 10, it is showing that there must be a semicolon before this curly bracket, this closing curly bracket. So obviously here you see I have here, you see I have typed semicolon here, but not here. After this, so here will be semicolon. Now it should run. Yes, it is running. There is no error, okay, this time. And I magnify the screen so that the viewer can view the output conveniently. And here I maximize the window screen. It says enter the choice, and in the program there were three cases and one was default. So among these three, 1, 2, 3, I place 5, and there was no case with number 5, so I enter. And here you see the output. The output is the same as I said. You have not taken any case. That is, I entered 5, but you see here that there was no case named 5. Cases with numbers are 1, 2, 3. So obviously you see you see the same output as we expected, and this was the output. You have not taken any case. Okay, so the viewer may think, if we would enter 2, then this will be the output, this thing will be the output. If we enter the choice 2, then this should be the output, this should be the output, in the same way as you saw the previous output. But output will be that thing, but there will be more sentences there. I show you. Here I first magnify 300 times, and now I show you. I execute here, compile and run. Okay, now it says enter the choice. So this time I enter the choice number 2. See, I entered 2, and thereafter I press the key enter, and you see here it is showing. Let me run it once more, because the outputs are not looking good, and because here you see I have here taken backslash n, but I have not taken backslash n here. So I first place backslash n. I will show you the entire program. First try to learn the mechanism of this program. Now I placed backslash n there, and now I am executing the program once more, and I have taken the window in the maximum size. Now I place the same choice, that is 2, and this time you see I show you once more the program, because I have to show you something. Here you see I am minimizing. Here you see I have entered 2, so the output, according to our thinking, the output should be this thing, this sentence only, because here you see in case 2 there is only one sentence, and that sentence is, let us learn C program. But here in the output you are, here you see that sentence is present here. You see here the sentence in the case number 2 was, let us learn C program. But in addition to that sentence, we have 2 more sentences here. This, and if you see the program, then you will observe that this sentence was in the case number 3, and this sentence was typed in the default. So we have 3 sentences, and so one thing is clear, that if we use 2 case 2, if we enter 2 as the input, then we got 3 sentences. Now let us run let us understand what is the reason. Reason is that here you see I have entered 2. Then we got 3 sentences in the output. The first one was this thing, that is obvious to us, but we got 2 more sentences, this one and the last one. But one more thing is that if case number 2 is giving us 3 sentences, then why did not we get this first word welcome? The reason is that if you enter 2 for case 2, then the execution will be corresponding to case number 2. But after that, whatever be the cases 2, 3, default, etc., all will be executed as well. So if you enter 1, then you will have 4 sentences, all the sentences in the output. And if you run this program and enter number 3, then this sentence will be in the output, as well as you will have the last sentence. 2 sentences will be there in the output. So try to keep this thing in mind. Whenever you enter a number, then that case will be executed, and the cases after that will also be executed. But many of the viewers may think that it is irritating, because if I enter 2, then only case 2 must be executed. And is there, but here I have shown you that if you entering 2, then case number 2 and thereafter case number 3, case and default, these all will be executed. The simple mechanism is that if you take a number for a case, then that case as well as the cases after that plus the default one will be executed. Now many viewers may think, is not there a way to get the output according to our desire? That is, if I enter a number, then the execution should be only corresponding to that number. Yes, there is a way, and for that you have to use break. If I use break in all, here you see in case number 1, in all you should use this keyword break, then you will have the output according to your desire. That is, if you enter 1, then there will be only one execution, and that execution will be corresponding to case 1. If you are entering 2, then this will be the output. Let us learn C program. There will be no more sentence, or only one according to this program. If you are taking 3, then even then only one sentence will be as the output, but the sentence in the 3 Case number 3 is welcome to this channel. You will see this sentence as the output. And here as well, you can type break here, or so in all I have used this break keyword. Break keyword helps to come out come out of this switch, come out from the body of this switch instantaneously. So now I run. You have seen that in the previous output, when I entered 2, then there were 3 sentences. First was let us learn C program, second was welcome to this channel, third was you have not taken any case. Now I will enter the same number 2, but here you see that in 2 there is only one sentence. You see this sentence, and since I have typed break in all the cases as well as in the default one, so in this time when I enter 2, then I will get only one sentence as an output. I show you. I run. You see it is requesting to enter the choice. So I enter the same number 2. Now you will have only one output this time, only one sentence this time. And you see, yes, you see, let us learn C program. So you have to understand, very easy, it's not very difficult thing, very easy. Remember, switch is used for the different cases. There may be different cases, and you want only one among these to be get executed. In that case, we use this keyword switch. And the second keyword is break. When you don't want case, any case you choose, and you don't want the later cases to be executed, only you want only that case to be executed which you chose. In that case, use switch with break. Use these two keywords, switch as well as break, as I have shown in this video. Okay, thanks, and take more examples and try to practice. Okay, thanks.